Nityanandam. Today I would love to share with you a few truths from today's Jivan Mukti Jayanti message, celebration of the release of this most amazing gift from Swamiji to humanity, which is Living Enlightenment book. In today's message about this book, Swamiji said that this is the most spiritual software, and he said that every line, every word is going to build powerful cognition in us. He says that patient with ourself is hope, patient with the humanity is love, and patient with powerful cognition is integrity. And he said that every word in this book is a powerful cognition. Go and play with it. At the end of this message, he said that, and this is most important message I would love to share with you. Make sure that this message gets to you. Is that if you spend every day 21 minutes with this book for remaining year, this book will take care of getting us enlightened and empowered. So you can download this book. It's freely available, and I will also like to invite you for another amazing workshop with Swamiji, which is happening this coming up weekend, March 10th and 11th. It's actually 2 half days, and this workshop is about attracting fortune through the third eye powers. So the part of this workshop, as it says, it will be also initiation into spiritual Shakti, spiritual powers. And this is definitely going to be very amazing workshop, how to break fortune in any areas of their life, in a wealth, health, a relationship, in your personal life. So definitely be part of it and get enlightened and empowered by Swamiji's amazing truths he's going to share with us, and the initiation into the spiritual powers. And also today it was shared that there's a very amazing program coming up in March 31st to April 30th. It's 31-day program with Swamiji called Mahasada and anyone who will make a payment for this program between 72 hours from end of the Jivan Mukti Jayanti, he will get this Guru Prana Murti. So it's another alchemy products from Swamiji. So it's help you to, it's like prana is like a bread. So it's helping you to connect with Swamiji's breath, his enlightened and empowered breath. So very beautiful gift for anyone who will make a payment. So you're gonna get gift prior to go to the most amazing gift you can give to yourself, which is Mahasada Shivoham. So if you have any question, then please, I will leave contact, and you can email me or just leave the comment and I will get back to you. So thank you for watching, and see you in another videos. Nityanandam.